Hi friends, we meet again. Welcome to Unboxing with Amol. Today we've got another product and it's a ring light. I'm now feeling that we're kind of building all of the products that are needed for making a small home studio. I bought this on Amazon. It costed us around 1500 rupees. It is from Digitech. Let's unbox and see what's in this pack. So this is the Digitech LED ring light. Now there are various models in this. The one which I preferred was the DRL 12C. Now this gives us around 2250 lumen illumination. It works with a 25 watt output. Let's open up and see what all do we get in this box. And the quality of the packing seems to be very nice. There is this tripod which is available with this particular box. So here's the tripod. The quality of the tripod looks very nice. This box might be containing the light, so I am carefully opening it. So this is the LED light that is there. This also has a phone holder. You can kind of sit in between the light. There's nothing else. I think the manual comes in the packet. So it's a very simple manual. The best part about this particular model was that it has got both the white light and the sunlight options available, and you could increase and decrease the intensity of the light. So what I'll go ahead and do is assemble the entire product, and we'll be back in 5 minutes. So we got everything out of the box, and if the final assembled product looks something like this. I just tried to put the camera as well. So this is the entire tower. So this is the tripod which is coming with it, and this is the ring light which you get, and this is the phone holder. Now this is kind of very wobbly. I think there's some issue with this. This is something that Digitech needs to think of, but I think overall build quality is very nice. Now if I switch it on, there are multiple colors that you get. So one is white and the other one is sunlight, and you can increase the intensity and decrease the intensity as well. They've given a good control panel here, which helps you dim or brighten the light, and then you've got two modes, which is the white light and the which is the moonlight or the sunlight. That's how they call it in the bulbs, so I'm just using that terminology. You can switch it on and off from here as well. It perfectly works with a USB cable, so you can just connect it to any of the USB chargers or to your laptop or your recording unit, and it works perfectly fine. The other advantage of this particular product that I thought was that you can raise the height of the the light as you need it. It gives you a height of almost 5.5-6 feet. Okay, now that we've assembled it completely, let's see what is the difference. So now you're looking at me without the lights on, and I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and we're going to see what's the difference when the lights are switched on. 1, 2, and 3. Let me count 1, 2, 3, and we switch off the lights and see once again. 1, 2, 3. This is switch off, and I count again. 1, 2, 3. Switch on. Perfect. So that's the difference this light makes. I feel the quality of the product is amazing. The only issue that I found out in the entire setup was the way the camera is placed. The rod which holds the camera is really wobbly, and setting it up and making it perfectly balanced is an issue. I think that's the only drawback in the entire product. Also, setup manual is not very great. So overall, if you ask me, I think it's worth the money. 1500 rupees. I think this is the product, and tell me how you liked it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next unboxing.